Naikuru Nimanyitaniiri Hamwe harĩ Guteithirira Andu Aria Matari na Uhoti kuria mamatugiririe na kuria mamatugire na Nguo na Irio cia Kuria niguo gukungwira muthenya wa Wendo thĩ yothe. Akiaria taũni-inĩ ya Roda Kauntiini ya Naikuru, Shamsha Girani uria ni umwe wa atongoria thukuru-inĩ wa Street Children Assistance Network ni ataririe ati mubango ucio ni wa bata kuri family nyingi bũrũri-inĩ iria igumirwo ni wagi wa mbeca.
My name is Shamsher Gilani. I'm the chairman of a charity project called SCAN, which stands for Street Children's Assistance Network of Nakuru. We came here because this is where the poorest community lives, and we realized that there were lots and lots of people, particularly children, who needed help in the form of food. They've also decided to give every
Oho ni ataririe ati muthenya wa Wendo ti wa endwa tu no ni wa kunyitanira na kuonia wendo kuri aria matehotete guku bũrũri-inĩ. Niongereire na kwira Kenya monanie wendo kuri aria mari na kia na kumahe uteithio onao makenanire muthenya wa umuthi.
Of this project a food hamper. This food hamper is being given out today. We are giving out 800 food hampers here this evening. And we will be giving out 500 food hampers at our second location in Bondeni.
Mahinda o macio mwena ucio wa Roda andu makiria ma magana monanie wendo kuri aria mari na kia na kuhe uteithio onao makenanire muthenya wa umuthi.
Of this project a food hamper.
Kuma Naikuru tuingira kaunti ya